Good morning, boys and girls. This morning I'm going to teach you to play the game Bunny Says. This game I used with kindergarten and grade 1 to teach them the difference between speaking voice and singing voice. Now to get started, we actually need to wake up Magic the Bunny, who's right in the hat here. Okay, can you guys say, "Wake up, Magic"? I don't think she heard you. Can you say it again? Wake up, Magic. Oh, she's stirring a little bit, but she still hasn't woken up. Can you say it even louder? Wake up, Magic.
Oh, boys and girls, it's so nice to see you again. I'm here to teach you how to play Bunny Says. Bunny Says is a lot like Simon Says, so there are going to be different actions that I tell you to do. When I use a singing voice, Bunny says stand up. We do the action, but if I use a speaking voice, Bunny says stand up. We don't do the action. Are you ready to play?
So before we get started, let's go over some of the actions that Magic the Bunny might sing. The first is, of course, clap your hands, turn around, pat your head, rub your tummy, flap your arms, wiggle around, hop up and down, hop on one foot, touch your nose, touch your shoulders, touch your toes, stand up, and sit down. So is everyone ready to play? Ready, Magic?
Uh-huh. Bunny says stand up. Bunny says turn around. Bunny says clap your hands. Bunny says pat your head.
Bunny says rub your tummy. That was speaking voice. Did we catch you? Okay, we're gonna try again. Ready, Magic?
Uh-huh. Bunny says touch your toes. Bunny says turn around. Bunny says hop on one foot. Bunny says wiggle around. Bunny says rub your tummy. Bunny says touch your nose.
Bunny says hop up and down. Do you think we caught them that time, Magic?
Maybe. But maybe we should go
Faster! Okay, let's give it a try.
Bunny says clap your hands. Bunny says turn around. Bunny says hop on one foot. Bunny says touch your toes. Bunny says touch your nose. Bunny says rub your tummy. Bunny says clap your hands.
Bunny says wiggle around. That was speaking voice. Magic, do you think we caught them that time?
I don't know. I think we need to go
Faster! Okay. Are you ready?
Bunny says turn around. Bunny says flap your arms. Bunny says hop on one foot. Bunny says touch your toes. Bunny says touch your nose. Bunny says pat your head. Bunny says touch your shoulders. Bunny says wiggle around. Bunny says hop on one foot.
Bunny says rub your tummy. Do you think they rub their tummy?
I don't know. That was fun though. I think we need to go even faster.
Okay, we're gonna go faster. Ready?
Bunny says hop on one foot. Bunny says turn around. Bunny says clap your hands. Bunny says touch your toes.
Bunny says pat your head. Bunny says rub your tummy. Bunny says wiggle around. Bunny says hop up and down. Bunny says turn around. Bunny says flap your arms. Bunny says sit down. That was speaking voice. Magic, do you think they sat down?
I don't know. That'd be pretty funny though. Now it's time to go super duper fast.
Bunny says clap your hands. Bunny says turn around. Bunny says pat your head. Bunny says touch your toes. Bunny says rub your tummy. Bunny says flap your arms. Bunny says wiggle around. Bunny says hop up and down. Bunny says turn around. Bunny says hop on one foot. Bunny says sit down. Bunny says stand up. Bunny says rub your tummy. Bunny says touch your shoulders. Bunny says touch your toes. Bunny says touch your nose. That was speaking voice.
Oh, boys and girls, thank you so much for playing with me today. Oh, but I'm feeling a little bit tired now.
Magic, is it time for your nap?
Oh, I think so. But boys and girls, thank you so much for playing with me. I will see you again soon. Bye.
Oh, sleep well, Magic. Aw, thank you, boys and girls, for playing Bunny Says with me. See you next time.